It started with a tremor. Early in 2025, when Meta gutted its fact-checking programs and rolled back hate speech policies, Google searches for how to delete Facebook shot up by over 5,000%. It was a digital exodus, but leaving isn't as simple as walking out a door. Before you join the migration, you have a critical choice to make: deactivation or deletion. Think of deactivation as putting your life on pause. Your profile vanishes, but it's all still there, waiting. You can even keep using Messenger. Deletion is different. It's the final act. It's permanent. So you've chosen deletion. Before you press the button, there's a pre-flight checklist. First, think of all the other doors you opened with your Facebook key: Spotify, Tinder, countless news sites and online stores. Deleting your account without a plan could lock you out of them forever. So your first mission is to go into your Facebook settings under apps and websites and see everything you're connected to. Go to each of those services one by one and set up a new login, usually with an email and a new password. Disconnect them from Facebook. It's tedious, but it's your escape route from digital chaos. Once your other accounts are secured, it's time to pack your bags. Facebook holds years of your life: photos, conversations, status updates. You can and should download all of it. In your settings, under your Facebook information, there's an option to download your information. You can select what you want and what quality, and Facebook will bundle it up for you. It's your personal archive, the only piece of that digital life you get to keep. Once that file is safely on your hard drive, you're ready. Navigate to deactivation and deletion. Select delete account, enter your password, and confirm. But here's the catch: it's not instant. You've just entered a 30-day grace period, a cooling off window. If you log back in at any point in the next month, the deletion is canceled. It's Facebook's final attempt to pull you back in. If you resist for 30 days, the process truly begins. And that process can take up to 90 more days. 90 days for your data to be scrubbed from their servers. For context, TikTok and X take 30 days. Telegram takes just one. Facebook holds on longer. And even after those 90 days, ghosts might remain. The messages you sent will still sit in your friends' inboxes, but your name will be gone, replaced by the generic phantom Facebook user. In the end, deleting your account is more than just a series of clicks. It's a deliberate act of digital housekeeping. It's about understanding the tangled web you've woven online, carefully untangling the threads, and deciding which parts of your past you want to carry into the future. It's a declaration that your data, your memories, and your online identity belong to you, and you get to decide when it's time to turn the lights off and walk away for good.